I can't believe this, my friends, from SLP. I can't expect this from SLP, my friend. You can see here minus 24.25%. They were lost in last 7 days. But if we check out, my friend, the last 24 hour, so you can see here in last 24 hour minus 4.8% they lost. So that's mean to day by day the price will decreasing. The price will not pumps up. What we will need to do this, my friends, to get a profit and be safe from loss, my friends. So let's get started. I will tell you, my friend, and I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to after watching this video you will also, my friend, love this coin. Your love is increased, my friend. So therefore, SLP holder, please, some holder are doing very huge mistake to their starting selling. So first of all, stop this mistake, my friends, for starting selling, because this is very important now. And this time, my friend, you can see here SLP price will very badly decrease, because from whether when a holder are starting selling, so therefore the price will fails down. But when ending is, my friend, you can see here this time minus 4.8% they will decrease now. So absolutely after this done they will also pump. So remember to after a fails they will pumps up. So please, some holder are doing very huge mistake, my friend, so they will never pumps up. So this is very important, my friend, for all of you. Hope to understand. Experts says, my friends, to SLP will collaborate with a lot of companies in upcoming time. So if they just only collaborate now, so I will give you 100% guarantee to they will make you a millionaire now. So please like and subscribe this video for more this type prediction video. My prediction is 100% going positive, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold now. Otherwise, you will never get a profit. You will lose. So hope you understand. Please like video and also subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.